Stand by. Racing just is started once out, and that is Ipira. We have Christina. Break quickly at the start. Moving about the outside. Prince of Doka. Potomac River is racing in third. Next on, that is Wind and Gloria. Admiral Contender comes next as Kuda. Moving about the outside is Dynamic Love. Is Spanish Drums comes next. While Ipira is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Christina by about 2 lengths. Prince of Dock is right behind in second. Potomac River moving up now on the outside is Wind and Glory. 5 lengths further back in fifth comes Admiral Contender. Then next on line is Dynamic Love, is Spanish Drums, Ipira. While Kuda now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Wind and Glory now takes command by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside, Potomac River. Then here comes Admiral Contender moving up to take third. Driving back in for this Christina. And next on that is Prince of Doka, is Spanish Drums, Dynamic Love, Ipira. While Kuda now racing in less, and Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Potomac River by about 3 lengths. Moving up down on the inside, Admiral Contender. Wind and Glory on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Potomac River by about 4 lengths, followed by Wind and Glory, Admiral Contender, and finally Potomac River close. Wind and Glory, Admiral Contender, Prince of Dock, Ipira, Christina for your Super 6. Or for Pentapecta.
Humabol si